Model, 2013 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI-125 PS 280 short wheelbase, needs flywheel still drives. Body, multicolor, panel van. Mileage, 127,490. Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, flywheel is rattling. So will need replacing, still drives but clutch pedal feels spongy. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.